Long aluminum parts are widely used in mechanical structures and industrial equipment, but when it comes to CNC milling, they are far more complex than they appear. There are 4 common problems. The first is deformation. Because long aluminum parts have low rigidity, they can easily bend or vibrate during milling. We usually solve this by improving fixturing, adding support points, and machining in multiple steps. The second is positioning error. For parts with many holes or features, unstable setup can affect machining accuracy. Using precise fixtures and completing more features in one setup helps improve consistency. The third is built-up edge. Since aluminum is soft, it can stick to the cutting tool and affect surface finish. This can be improved by using aluminum-specific tools, higher spindle speed, and better cooling. The fourth is burr formation. Burrs often appear after milling or drilling and may affect assembly and part quality. Chamfering, deburring, and manual finishing can help reduce this issue. With proper fixturing, cutting parameters, and tool selection, these problems can be effectively controlled. HLC specializes in precision machining and custom metal parts manufacturing. Follow us for more real machining insights.